Welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well today. And today we're going to show you a palette that I got from Mercari. And I haven't opened it yet, so I'm about to tell you what happened. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. So, I don't even know how to explain this, but this is how my package arrived from the FedEx. It literally has freaking holes, like somebody freaking chewed it. I don't know what freaking happened, but it happened. Look at it. I'm not even kidding you. So I saved this so that way I can show you guys. There's a piece of my hair. Who the hell was hungry? That's what I want to know. Like, why are they allowing this to... I don't know what's going on with freaking USPS because my last package was a little fucked up. And now I have a FedEx package that's a little fucked up. I don't know what has been going on, but apparently somebody's out to get me. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of this. And so this is from a seller. They've been changing their names on Mercari lately, and I don't know why. But supposedly this is it is called Morphe X Saweetie 24A Artistry Eyeshadow Palette. This is one size, of course. So this is your paper that they sent me along with the box. And I'm going to show you what the box looks like. And it's called Pretty Little Thing. Did you see it? Did you see it? Ooh, so, okay, there's like a, see that brown? Ooh, this is nice. Okay, all right. This is Morphe 24A Artistry Palette. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh. I hope this is... Oh, I'm freaking so excited. I've been wanting to get one of these, and I know that they cost a little bit more money than $20. So I'm hoping this is an actual palette and real versus a fake. I'm not sure yet because I've never had a real one before, but I will check after this video, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Gosh, look at the mirror, the size of that freaking mirror. Hello, Missy. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a freaking couple of colors because I'm so excited. Okay, which color shall we even go with? Oh my gosh, I'm going to go ahead and swatch actually, I want to swatch the stars glitter, and that one is called Spotlight Stealer. It does feel gritty, but that's fine. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It's almost like a unicorny look. I'm going to go ahead and swatch Instabaddie. This green one right here. Ooh, that feels a little wet. I'm guessing that this is... Oh my gosh. Dude, I barely pressed my finger on there. It feels like I'm not getting anything, but I really am. Look at it. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my God. Ooh. So it does dry up. So you're going to get that nice glittery-like feeling. Let's go ahead and swatch one more color. I'm going to want to swatch, you know what? Oh, I'm so freaking excited. I don't know what to do. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and swatch this pink and see how... Ooh, it's really smooth. It's got a smooth texture. Like you don't feel... Oh my gosh. I'm going to have so much fun with this pink one. And you know how I am the pink girl. Let's go ahead and swatch that one. Oh my gosh. Hello? Oh, I love it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm so freaking shaken right now. I'm shaken, stirred, and fried. Oh, I'm shaking, stirred, and fried. But look at it. Let's look at it one more time. Dude, you're going to have so much fun with this. I love it. Oh my gosh. You guys should try and get this freaking palette. I can create so many freaking looks with this. I don't even know what to say because I'm still freaking shaking about it. And I'm pretty sure it wasn't the seller's fault that this freaking package, it's like a pink and a unicorn on the bag. And I think it's so freaking cute. My God. I am so freaking impressed. Damn. Damn. I don't know what to say, but I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this new freaking palette that I got from Akari. I am so freaking excited. And so yeah, I don't know what else to tell you guys, but I hope you guys gave. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you are subscribed. Push that button right now. Push it. I see you. I know what you're doing. You're thinking about it. Don't think about it. But go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that way you guys don't miss a thing. And I'm going to say bye-bye.